Talk to us, Sanjeev, about the importance of breath.
Yeah.
Like, this is the big thing for you in meditation.
Yeah.
Like, what's the basic fundamentals of the importance of breath with meditation?
Yeah. So when we are born, we came with the breath. When we leave our physical body, there is a breath. We lose our breath. Just have the importance how beautiful and awesome the breath it is. Without breath, we cannot live. So breath is a life force energy, first of all. Breath can help us to live into the present moment awareness. Breath can dissolve our ego. It can dissolve our limiting belief system. The breath can help us to create a fragrance of love, forgiveness, kindness, compassion. The breath can connect to the universe, The breath can connect to the nature. Even you can harness the power of universe with the help of deep connection with the breath, You don't need to read too many books. You don't have to listen too many cassette, DVD, If you really want to connect or harness the power of the breath, in terms of having a deep connection with the existence, go and sit on the bank of ocean and bring your awareness to the breath. Bring your awareness to the breath. I can challenge, you can attract magic, miracle, you can attract money, you can attract abundance. Everything will come to you. But people are not aware of the breath. That is the problem. Awareness is the key.
So how do we use the breath, Sanjeev, in meditation? Are we breathing through our mouths, our noses? Like, what's the basics of breathing?
The breathing meditation through the nose, I can say. Even when you are not aware of the breath, there is a breathing process is happening, right? So you can see, you can feel the sensation of the breath at the top of the nostril while breathing, right? While breathe out, there is a sensation of the breath as well, right?
Yeah, yes. You can feel the air.
Yeah, you can feel the air. So when we go for the breathing meditation, we can feel the sensation of the breath at the top of the nostril. That is the object of meditation practice. Right?
And if we focus on the breath, is this what helps to build our meditation practice?
Yes, it will help us very much. But awareness of the breath, like awareness means when we take the breath in, what happens? There is the expansion of the abdomen happens, and while breathe out, there is a contraction of the abdomen happens. So just be aware of each and every movement of the breath. You have to aware the gap between out breath and the in breath. That is the object of meditation practice. When you aware of the gap, the same gap I'm talking, the meditative gap, that will help us to connect with the existence, that will help us to connect with the universe, And when you aware of such kind of the gap, what will happen? You are getting connected with limitless, boundless and endless possibilities, opportunities, abundance. Everything will come into your life.
So to start with meditation, if people have never meditated before, the breath is key.
The breath is key.
So if somebody just sits and breathes in and breathes out, they're actually practicing meditation.
Yes. But they can do the breathing meditation practice wherever they are, whatsoever activity they are doing. Even you are driving your car, even you are working at the clinic, even you are shoveling the snow, Yes, awareness means just have awareness. Awareness means just have a little bit connection with the breath.
It's easy, it's simple.
It's very simple.
But it's so hard.
It's so hard, yeah. But we should be grateful, like we should be grateful for it because the breath came into our life.
But I don't know if people ever really truly grasp that, because often we think it's the thoughts we need to stop. We need to be calm, we need to do all of these things, and you say it's just the breath. If we focus on the breath, everything else will come together.
Yes, 100% it will come together. And that's what the miracle happens, that's what the magic happens, That's what you can attract money, you can attract beautiful house, beautiful wife, everything you can attract. Why? Because, as I said, since this is a planet, right? There is a universe, there is existence, we live, how we are connected with one another, with only the breath. There is nothing more than that. But the important thing people are missing.
But it's simple, so that's key.
Yeah, simple.
It's key.
Yeah.